It's much smaller than Tuscany, but I would say if any area deserves the award, is this one. We just arrived in a small village called Goriška, which is located in the region of Slovenia called Goriška Brda. And this region is promoted like the Tuscany of Slovenia, which honestly is very big shoes to fill. But we're here to see if it really is worth the hype.
Yeah, so basically the main reason we came here is to work, because we have our quarterly business review, where we usually go some remote place that we've never been before and then do our business. It's late afternoon on Friday. We're going to do some work. We're going to prepare some nice dinner.
Hopefully get a sunset.
Yeah, hopefully. Let's see. And then tomorrow, actually, we don't really have any plans. As you can see, like, there's wineries all around us. And
honestly, it looks very nice. All the way driving here, we passed the wineries already. And it looks so green and beautiful.
Yeah, it looks amazing. So yeah, the plan is for tomorrow. We are going to take you with us. We have no clue what we're going to do, but let's hope that we can present this region as it should be.
And hopefully we get to see if it really is like Tuscany or not.
I won't be able to tell that. I've never been, but actually
I've been twice.
I've been, but I just passed by Firenze.
Doesn't count.
Doesn't count, I would say. So, well, I guess you'll have to take me.
We'll see after this one. I think we just made plans for tomorrow. As we told you, we came here without knowing anything, but Edu just found a flyer about renting bikes. And that seems like a good idea because we want to taste some wine. That means we can't really drive. So we might be able to...
How high are you?
160. We might be able to rent some bikes tomorrow. Fingers crossed. And hopefully they're e-bikes because there's a lot of hills. So that will be really fun. Hope it works.
I think our bikes came. Let's go get them. Essentially how this works, we just got our bikes delivered. Basically, they bring your bikes here. They give you the helmets, they give you the lock. They actually even shared a little map and the tours that we can take. So yeah, that's it. We will share the contacts of this agency with you. So if you're ever in this area, you can get the same ones as we did. And yeah, let's go explore Brda. Here we are, full on sweat. It's like 30 degrees outside. I'm already completely soaked, but it's beautiful. Like, look at the scenery that we are driving through. Luckily, we have electric bikes,
yes.
So they are helping us a lot.
15 minutes in, and we just went up on a big hill and into a village that is right on the top. And as we start going down, I sensed that we are a little bit off, and I was like, babe, are we lost? And he's like, yes.
No,
so
we're not.
15 minutes in, we're good to go. Okay, serious question. What time is it acceptable for us to start drinking?
Right about now, I think.
It's like 10 a.m.
We're in the wine region, come on. We're here to taste wines, so...
Less than 1 hour in, and we are soaked, ready for a break, which is a massive break. Look at this, the guy is completely red. Is that a coffee or an ice cream sundae?
Both. It's coffee with ice cream. It's iced coffee.
We just arrived at our first winery of the day, and someone is already looking very cozy.
Of course I am. Like, look at this. We have a very nice wine, Rebula. The place looks amazing.
This looks ridiculously beautiful.
Yeah. This is our first stop, as we said, and we got our wine. We got Hello from the Kitchen, which was delicious. One thing to know is there is not too many places around here to eat, or there are, but you need to reserve it up front. So this one was actually a little bit out of our road that we planned for us, but so far, very good.
Now it's time to drink. That's the part we've been waiting for. That's why we cycled all morning.
First we eat, and then we start with the drinking part, even though we're already drinking, so.
Yeah, we already started.
how do you like our wine tasting?
Honestly, this one is so different. It's very homey. Like the kids are playing outside in the pool. Like it's very nice.
It's like next to their house, like a little room, and then yeah.
It's really nice, and he was here just chatting with us, so it's a very different experience. We've been to very big commercial ones before, so this is a nice change, I think.
In the beginning, you told me that this is the Tuscany of Slovenia. So, is it true?
Honestly, it really did surprise me. It's much smaller than Tuscany, but I would say if any area deserves the award, is this one. So far, based on everything we've seen, it really is very special. We were cycling through the vineyards. Honestly, it was just like a perfect day. The one thing I will say though is I don't think we picked the right time of the year to do this. Right now it's like almost July and it was really hot. You can tell, I mean, we have the videos of Edo sweating. It was like insanely hot. So I would say we probably would have a better time if we came a month ago, but 100% worth it. I do think it deserves a title. So approved. The one thing about renting e-bikes that we didn't think beforehand, and honestly, that's the one thing that they are kind of missing in the whole structure, is that if you want to buy wine, you can't really take it. Like, we didn't have a backpack with us, so it was hard, but we decided to wing it and take it anyway. So we got it, and we had the guy pack for us in little bags, as you can see here, and we just hung each of them in one bike. And honestly, we almost didn't make it. Look at the state that the bottle came home. Look at this. It's like almost peeking out. We almost lost a wine bottle in the middle of the road. So I cannot actually recommend doing this. If you're intending on going on the wine tasting and then buying something, it's probably a good idea to take a backpack with you because the e-bikes don't come with a little basket in front. So yeah, don't do the same mistake as we did. Thank you for watching our adventure today in Slovenia. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!